I'm just going to show you how to add an undo button. So when you send an email, you get a chance at taking that back before it's sent. Now, I'm one of these people that sometimes you seem to reflect the most on your email the minute you've pressed send, which is not very useful. You might have thought, oh, I should have added that, or I should have asked that question. So to enable this, all you need to do is go to settings, click on view all Outlook settings, and then under the compose and reply tab, if you scroll down, you can see it says undo send, and we've got an option of 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Now for me, nobody is so precious about an email that 10 seconds is going to make the difference for when it arrives. However, there'll be many a time where you might actually press undo and alter that email. So if you press save, what happens now is it won't look any different, except for when I go to send an email, it gives you a small window of reflection. So I press send, and now it just says sending, undoing. It will say that for 10 seconds and then it will disappear and send as normal. So if I press undo, I'm back into editing that email. So I think that's a really useful thing to know. I'm sure lots of us can benefit from this, and it's very easy to enable.